Hello, Facebook. Good morning, Facebook. Hello, Instagram. Wherever you're watching us, YouTube. It is Sunday morning if you're watching this live at about, 11:30. Maybe it's 12 o'clock. I'm not sure. So I am in the garden right now. I wanted to share tonight's $9.99 takeout deal. We have a wine dinner tomorrow night that's going to be really awesome. And I wanted to show you something cool that's really cool in the garden right now. That's really kind of cool. So, good morning, everybody. If you're tuning in, just drop a comment, hashtag live. Or if it's on the replay, hashtag replay. Always drop a comment where you're tuning in from. I got the dogs out here with me. We are going on a run. We were on a run. We're going back out. So I got the border collies with me. And let's see if I can show you the border collies. The other one's sitting in front of the office. But all right, there he is. There's Baxter. And Barolo got caught on my string of my running coat. So, okay. So there's Barolo. He wants to say hi. There's Barolo. And there's Baxter. So, we're going out on the trails here in a few minutes. So, good morning, everybody. If you're tuning in live, just drop a comment, hashtag live, or where you're tuning in from. Let's see. So, tonight's $9.99 deal is our curry and mussel shrimp with rice and broccoli for $9.99, and that is to go. That's a takeout special. 647-3000 to take advantage of that. It's also on our website, aromatimebistro.com, time like the herb. And let's see. Tomorrow we're doing a wine dinner. I'm not sure if we're doing it out here or inside. Of course, it's all weather permitting. We're not going to expect anybody to sit out here and freeze if that's the case. Although I got to tell you, a lot of people sat out here last night with blankets and gloves and hats and whatever, and they people still want to eat outside, even with the weather dipping into the high 40s, low 50s. People were still out here. We do have some patio heaters, and of course the fireplace is here and it adds some heat. But there's not enough to cover every single seat out here. And of course, underneath the tent, we have an electric plug-in heater right there. But I don't have enough electric to run more of those out here, else I'll blow circuits, and my panel box is getting pretty full. My electrician told me. But we do have gas ones. We have 3 gas ones out here, 3 propane ones. And I'm probably going to see if I can get a couple more just to have some backups. So the wine dinner tomorrow night, $25, comes with 4 wines and a dish. That is going to either be in the garden or inside. Our favorite fall wines, we've picked the wines out already, got some really, really cool wines, really cool wines. A Spanish one, an American, an Italian. There's a couple really cool stuff in there. All right, so as far as what's amazing in the garden, this is really cool. I just noticed this the other day. So let's see. Oh, Jamie's cooling some pumpkin, like little mini bundt cakes that she made for us. Sorry, these are not for the restaurant. These are for us. But Jamie just made those. They were for the restaurant. They wouldn't be out here. They'd be inside the cooler. So these decorative gourds right here. Oh, there's a puffball mushroom that I picked on my run. So these decorative gourds that we have these around the restaurant every year. We have these decorative gourds. So we buy them in one case and we put them out. Well, last year when the season was over, I took these couple of these decorative gourds and I tossed them in the garden. I just tossed them in the garden so they could compost. Well, a couple of them grew, and boy, did they grow. You can see, let's see if I can see in here. See, so we got one right there, all right? But here's the really cool thing. They're on the tree growing up, and they're growing up this whole tree, decorative gourds. I'll walk out into the to the parking lot and show you. But literally, it's probably crawling 20 feet up in the air, these decorative gourds. I don't even think I could pick them because they're too high up there. So I might have to just yank the vine down to get them. There is our smoker. It's smoking away. We got some pork chops in there. I got to turn the baffles down. So we also have a wild grapevine here too that grows grapes. So that tree is there covered with grapes. But here we go. So more decorative gourds right here, right? They're in the parking lot, the decorative gourds. They're growing up the tree. Right there they are, up there. And even further up the tree, this whole tree is covered with decorative gourds wherever you look. So that was, of course, for me just throwing a couple decorative gourds. They're all, you can see them all in there. Look like they're all going all up in there. There must be like 20 or 30 of them growing there. So I just thought that was pretty cool. We noticed them all up in the tree the other day. So that was just by throwing a decorative gourd out into the garden last year to compost naturally. So this way, Barolo. All right, so let's take a peek at what's inside of here. So there's my temperature. It's at 175, 180 degrees. Let's see what we got. Ooh, there we go. And these are pork porterhouses that were slow smoking for about 2 hours. They were brined overnight. It's part of our German Oktoberfest menu. That comes with a mustard cream sauce and sauerkraut. This way, Barolo. Come on, boy. Let's go. Barolo's ready to go hit the trails again. So, let's see. Jay, do you have Baxter? Baxter? You have Baxter? I'll just check. He's probably in front of the office. I'm assuming he is. So, let's see. So, yes, that's today's deals. Baxter loves to go in the car. So he either sits by the car and wait. He'll wait several hours for you to get in the car, or he'll go sit in front of our office door. He's sitting in front of the office door. He's like stuck in this rhythm of always going somewhere. These were my parents' dogs. He's in front of the office. These are my parents' dogs, and my parents had passed away in the last 2 years. So Courtney has them. Our daughter, she takes care of them, and they live with her and her other dog. And we got the dogs this morning because we're going out on the trails. Let's see. So that's what's happening, everybody. It's a beautiful, beautiful day out. Like, amazing day. So everybody get out, enjoy, get some sun. Yesterday was amazing. We were out on the golf course yesterday at the Schwangunk for one of the fundraising tournaments out there, serving some stuff and donating a portion of the proceeds back. So if you saw us, that's what we were doing yesterday. We're out there participating and helping raise some funds. Let's see. That's about it. Tomorrow's wine dinner. Today's $9.99. Shrimp and curry mussels.
Tomorrow's wings too.
Oh, tomorrow. I forgot about it. Tomorrow, wings and wing night. So it's buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one on our wings, barbecue or spicy sauce. So traditional hot sauce, buffalo spicy sauce, or a barbecue sauce. That is the wings. It is buy one get one. Buy one get one. Major deal tomorrow night. It's better than a $9.99 tomorrow night. It's buy one get one. 647-3000. We sell a lot of wings on Monday night, like a lot of wings on Monday night. So call early. Mondays have been very, very busy for us, right up into the fall now. Even last Monday was really, really busy. Thursdays have been very, very, very busy as well. And of course, the weekends are super busy. If you call ahead, there's going to be certain times you might have to wait an hour and a half. We'll tell you ahead of time, how long you have to wait for your actual to-go food. We had a customer the other night that it was an hour and 15 minutes, and they didn't like that so much. We told them when they called, it's not going to be ready till 7. So we'll tell you what time, but you can call anytime after 11 a.m. and we'll answer the phones and start taking orders. Don't think you have to wait till 5 o'clock to call us because we open at 5 o'clock. Don't think you have to wait till 5 o'clock to call us and place orders. So we're here all day answering the phones. So you can call 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. You can call whenever. Barolo has one of my running strings wrapped around his leg. It's the thing that you pull my jacket tight with. So, it's kind of an old jacket, so, all right. So, one of those strings that you got kind of attach and pull the waist tighter. It's a very old string, and it's like almost hanging down to my ankles. At this point, I got to cut it. All right, folks, that's it for today. We open at 3 o'clock today, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Everybody get out, get some sun, enjoy the weather, this beautiful fall weather, and we'll talk to you later.